thought about the medal ceremony?
Sorry?
You
Tonight.
thought about your medal ceremony?
When you get the medal
Yeah,
tonight.
yeah.
Yeah.
Are you going to protest again?
Yeah.
Because that will be
Yeah.
big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have a big everyone, because nobody, there'll be way more media at the medal ceremony because this wasn't filmed, nobody saw this. But I mean, they saw you during the race, but I think at the time no one knew. But now at the medal ceremony,
People will understand more.
No.
like
medal.
at closing ceremonies, you get your medal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get to go on
Yeah.
the podium.
Yeah.
How did
Do you have a
have you always been this brave?
Sorry?
Have you always been a very brave person to speak out like this? A lot of people are afraid.
I don't know. Your English is strong.
Are you? Have you
not-
always been brave?
Great.
It was very
You're,
courageous.
you're not scared.
Yeah.
Well, why are you not scared?
It takes a lot of heart.
Were you?
Have you always been like that?
Like yes, like that, like this.
Always.
Yeah.
Always been very outspoken.
Strong. Yeah.
Do you have a flight anywhere? Are you staying here in Brazil, or do you have a
After I
flight?
get visa, if I visa successful, I go. So then I work training. If
Yeah, you could-
if the Kenyan government promise for me, if not give pass for Ethiopia government, I work in Kenya. They are very friendly. If I go Kenya,
Kenya. Or you tried America? You said.
America is good.
Thank you.